from thence unto Bethel, and he was going up by the way. There came forth little children out the city, and mocked him. And they said unto him, Go up thou, bald head, go up thou, bald head. And he turned back, and looked upon them, and cursed them in the name of the Lord. And then came forth 2 she-bears out the wood, and tare 42 children of them. And he went from thence to Mount Carmel, and he thence returned to Samaria. Lions do not concern themselves with the opinions of sheep.
Did he break up?
Bro,
Break up!
what the fuck you doing there?
Get him, Blake. Get your leg. Leonard, are you fucking kidding me, man? Jesus Christ.
I don't know where the stink's coming from.
You don't know where the stink's coming from? Probably from all the shit everywhere, you fucking... Holy fuck. I think this place is worse than Jason. Leonard, Jesus Christ. Yeah, I'm definitely not taking this shit in there. Oh my god.
What's going on with your YouTube? It's your boy King Cobra.
Mother, log off your gambling site and vacate the living room.
Fuck you, bish, I gots to gamble.
I need to do my Godot-centered internet show.
But nobody watches your gay little internet show.
Mother, you leave me no choice. Nobody messes with my gay little internet show. Alright, yeah, I feel pretty good tonight. I don't know, I just felt like fucking around with the lolcow video game shit that I had going on. I can't even remember where the fuck I was with this thing, so we're just going to fire it up. I had to re-import it from when I went from the old fucking it was like 4.3. Now we're on 4.5.1, which is pretty cool. So hopefully the project works. I think Anissa had some issues with Yoko Ono. Let's try it. Happy fucking Tuesday.
I put my 2 weeks in for my job. I'm gonna go do other stuff. I don't know what yet. Alright. Who is this? Oh, that's Boss Man. DSP, King Cobra. Alright, so...
Mark my fucking words.
Oh, that's
I'm
really
coming for you.
fucking loud.
Flamingo!
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
So that's really loud for me. Hopefully it's not super loud for you guys. So we have our Kiwi cam over here. We have Anissa, Bossman, Jack, iDubbbz, DSP. Awesome. Let's see. It looks like it appears to be Cobra's turn. Can I move right now? I cannot move. Let me open up a notepad. Do I have Sublime? I do. I don't, motherfucker. Alright, I think I have, don't I have Notepad Plus? I do. Cool. Yeah, we're just gonna have to write down some stuff. Alright, so when we enter the battle phase, we don't display the character or update the UI to current character. So yeah, I'm just gonna fix shit as I go. So let me go ahead and exit out of here and we'll fix that and then we'll keep going. Oh yeah, I forgot I had to do some shit real quick. No. My cat's trying to climb in my lap. Alright. No, my stream is not made for kids. Save. Alright. I forgot you had to check that off on YouTube. Alright. Awesome. Are we actually streaming now? Yeah, I think so. Right. I forgot you had to check that off. Alright. Fuck, man. Perfect. Now we're good. Let me grab some fucking... Alright, I'm fucking hype. I'm down to work on this shit. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good shit, man. Alright. I think we were making dice for Boss Man or something. We had some dice that faded in and faded out. Damn, that was really fucking sour. But... yeah, alright. So, let's take a look at what we're actually doing. We gotta go to the script. We gotta go to the game manager. Let me minimize that stupid bullshit. Game manager, where the fuck are you at? Right here. Awesome. We have a bunch of my famous match loops, which are great for everything. They're good for everything. You can use them for anything you want. Alright. What are we doing? Increment turns. We'll be incrementing them turns and shit. Battle phase display. Where do we start our battle phase? Instantiate UI. We should be instantiating. Alright. So. Are we not updating here? Let's see. I'm going to see if this prints out. I'm going to have to double check that real quick. All right. I saw that Josh Moon interviewed Turkey Tom's ex or something. I couldn't watch it. She just disgusted me so fucking much with her voice in the first 10 seconds. I knew it was going to piss me off, and I was at work, and I was like, I can't even be dealing with this. I don't care if Turkey Tom stabbed her in the eye with a fork. It's justified.
Mark my fucking words. I'm coming for you.
Damn.
Flamigo!
What's going on with your YouTube? It's your boy King Cobra.
How's it going, Phoenix? It's going pretty good. I'm just fucking around here with the lolcow video game. Sorry, something's on my fucking nose. Long time no see. Yeah, I was doing a bunch of other shit, building shit out in my yard, doing dumb stuff. Trying to buy a house, and I didn't want to do that. I'm staying at my old house because, you know, it's cheap here. And, yeah. Back on the retard game grift. Making $0. Alright, so. Yeah, so this doesn't update. Let me check what's going on there. So that was what I wanted to check. I'm looking for a specific phrase. Was it up here? Awesome. Yeah, I'm looking for this. Control F. We are updating to DSP. We are entering contact. We are in the group Cobra. So we don't update the active character when we change here. Let me put R. We updating during battle. I don't think we are. So object clicked. Let's go. If we come down here, request turn-based mode. Next state turn-based. Start turns. Sorted players. var sorted players. Alright. Awesome. Looks like I was losing my fucking mind at some point here. That's going real great. Wonderful. Here is the turn list. Current turn list. Perfect. Active turn combatant. Awesome. So, how's your commercial team thing endeavor? It's going pretty good. I just took a break for it for tonight. I actually have a, I might show it off. I made like a worm thing for it. Hold on, I'll just bring up Blender. Might as well show it off. Yeah, basically I put in my 2 weeks at my job, so I'm going to be leaving to go do other stuff. My job is like, I'm driving like an hour to go to my job right now, so I just have to like find another one. So I'm going to have more time to work on my shit while I'm applying. So I'm pretty hyped for that. But yeah, I made this worm. Let me go to pose mode, and I can move it around. Whoops. I can move it around like this. So I'm making this for the undersea level. It's going to basically attack the player. And I made some animations for it, I think. So yeah, we have like that. We got a bite. A return. T-pose, and an idle, which is like pretty cool. If I didn't cut it off. So yeah, on the undersea level, there are going to be a lot of these guys around. Yeah, so still working on that, but yeah, now just doing this shit. Really waiting for summer. I really want to fucking plant a bunch of crops and like grow food and do a bunch of work outside and stuff like that. But fuck, all right. I thought you were gonna be a programmer. Probably not. All the programming jobs are done now. They're all dead. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically going to take some time off. I'm going to get some certifications in CNC. Like, I'm a CNC programmer, but I'm going to get a, like an Autodesk certified user certification so I can, like, draw parts. And, like, I can show companies that I can go to, like, you know, draw parts and have them milled out with a CNC mill. So, that'll be, like, a major pay upgrade for me. And it's, like, stuff I'm capable of doing and I have the credentials for, so... I basically run CNC equipment all my life, so that's basically what I'm good at. The problem is I'm just driving an hour away to get to my job right now, so I'm like, I really can't do that anymore because they moved warehouses. And I don't feel like switching places where I live, so... Yeah, expert in CWC, dude. Dude, I remember showing fucking Christian to like some people at the last warehouse I worked at. And they were like, just straight up like, oh, no, we never talking to this guy ever again. Like, that's not a football or Squid Game. I don't like this guy. All right. Yeah. Anyway, I'll find another job pretty fast. I actually have like 2 friends that like, they kind of like, well, not really friends, people I worked with, but they could probably get me jobs at, like, other warehouses running CNC stuff, but I honestly just want to take a couple months off, get these certifications, work on my own projects, and then I'll go back to work because I already have the money for it, so why not? YOLO, you only live once, man. And that was 2016 when that shit was, like, being said. I'm like... I'm 30. I'm turning 30 years old in February. Having a midlife crisis over here. All right. Oh, fucking cat. Shitty Kitty says hi, by the way. Get out of here. All right. So what I'm trying to figure out is, do I... I think I need to update that. Active term combatant. Yeah, the active character instance. That's what we're updating here, right? Are we updating during battle? Update active character. I think we should update it using that. Yeah, that would make more sense. What are you making? I'm making a video game. We just changificated this right here. I'm losing my mind after a 10-hour shift and after a 2-hour fucking drive. That's what I'm doing. Stuck on the highway going behind someone who's going fucking 45 miles an hour the entire fucking way. How's it going, Gibblebits, by the way? I didn't say hi, but how's it going? So we just changificated this right here. Let's see if this changes anything. I don't know. We're back working on the lolcow video game for a minute. I don't know how long. Maybe just like a few minutes. I have no idea.
Oh, the camera's on. The camera's been on the whole time, huh?
Flamigo!
What's going on with your YouTube? It's your boy King Cobra.
See, we did update that time. So that's good. We did need that line. Very important. Okay. Desktop audio is a bit loud. Sorry. How's that? That's much quieter. DSP is loud as fuck. I'm going to try not to click on DSP. I really apologize for that one. Whatever audio I had, I just mixed it super fucking loud for DSP. So his voice just like booms in and he's like, hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Alright.
King Cobra uses Black Flame.
I'm sure that's loud as fuck too. Hold on. Alright. So we can still move. I have to update this too. Does that update? It kind of does. Let me write down some more stuff. So that was fixed. We got to the walking bar doesn't update until movement. We should display a number or something. No, I don't want to save it. Okay, so I'm just gonna end. Can I actually do that? What does that do? That breaks everything, doesn't it? Yeah. So let me write that. The regular attack and what is it called? Ranged attack will break the game. There we go. Oh my god. I hit Control S all the fucking time now when I'm at work and I'm working on like projects that I have to like, not projects, but I have to like make drawings. And I hit Control S all the fucking time and save it in the wrong folders. So like there'll be like the company folder with like everything and then like all my mistakes that are saved there. And I'll have to like go through and delete them and make sure I don't delete any of the real stuff. I'm very professional. If anyone sees this in the future, you should definitely hire me to run your multi-million-dollar CNC equipment. I'm a very safe operator. I'm only half buzzed when I get there. With a full stomach of bread and a cup of coffee. So, you know, that's better than most of the people of that trade, to be real with you. Most of them are drinking at the job, so I'm like a golden fucking goose, dude. I might show up, 5 to 10 minutes late, but that's okay. All right. Wonderful. It's probably going to be a pain in the ass fix. What else are we trying to fix right now? Okay. So, we go to... we're going to have to actually go... we're going to go to the fucking player script. If we're in here... what the fuck are we trying to do again? Alright, so we have this UI thing here on the camera. Where is it? Let's see, it's got to be around here somewhere. Camera holder, yeah. Where's the actual camera itself? Start screen. Driveway scene. Camera holder. Okay, yeah. This is what I was looking for. So we have when we press, where is I'm just looking for this button. Sorry, camera holder. We'll go to the fucking scene, 2D. When I press one of these guys, I gotta figure out what they actually do. End turn. Man, poor King Cobra, dude. We're still gonna put him in the game. I'm gonna do it like in a respectful way or something. I don't know. I think he still deserves to be in the game. He's still like one of the top tier lolcouts of all time. Alright, so on character spell B, end turn, spell A. Let's see, maybe they're not hooked up at all. Well, they gotta be hooked up because it crashed the shit, right? Alright, let me check. Which one is that? Ranged attack, awesome. So the node is on ranged attack pressed. Yeah, can you show me that? Where is that? Oh, right here. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot. Wonderful. Draw ranged attack circle. Active character instance, ranged attack. So I actually didn't check the ranged attack. What about the other one? Melee attack. Where are you at? Next state equals attacking. Next state equals action. Alright, let's check. Do I even have those fucking states? Let's see. What is this? This is the movement bar. Okay, so I'm not even checking the right fucking script right now. I'm a fucking idiot. Alright, so where was I? Somewhere around here. So I'm changing the active character instance to attacking. I'm thinking this is where the problem is. Let me go to I guess I'll just go to, where's my player script? Where is that fucking bastard? Player class. And then what was I what was I trying to check? Oh yeah, I gotta check for the attacking state. Because I use strings as states. Dude, I'm a fucking genius. I'm probably one of the greatest programmers who ever lived. Who else would use strings as states? No one. No one's that bold. No one's that brave. Player evolve with mouse. Yeah, what you want to do is write a big list of spaghetti functions so you can just sit back and eat eat them all up. All right. Player evolve with mouse. There we go. My torch lights the way. Exactly. So I'm just revolving with the mouse. I'm not actually doing anything. So what happens when I press again? Nothing? Let me try. Let me try again and see what happens. I don't think I tried the ranged attack. I think what I want to happen on the ranged attack is like it opens up the inventory and then like you pick an item to throw. That would make the most sense because I don't have anything to throw right now. Let's pick Ralph.
Blood because I'm an arrogant god.
All right, let's go fuck with Anissa.
Let me go.
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
I think this still works.
Uses green smoke.
Okay, so we use the melee, the ranged. Awesome, so that was an issue. We no longer have the attack ring. We need to visualize the range the player has to attack. Cool. I used to have this like little ring that would show up, but I didn't put it on every model, so it's gonna fuck up for sure. I can't wait to add, we're going to add Josh Moon. We're going to add PvP and Warski in. You know, we might as well have them in. I'm trying to figure out a scenario I can have everyone battle in. I think, you know, when I have all my free time from chilling off work, it's going to be fun, dude. All right. Okay, yeah, go over there.
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
Alright, so what now? It just follows around? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so it goes into a different function. It goes into allow ranged attack clicking. Awesome. Fire a ranged projectile. We don't have a projectile. Hand position. Right hand global position. Let's go check it out. Oh, yeah, let's go here. Cobra, Inspector. Right hand. He has a right hand position. What are you talking about? Best Cobra. Why would it be doing that? Right hand. And then we have it in here. The right hand. Interesting. What the fuck you mean we don't fucking have it? Invalid access of property to key. Rock seemed unsubstantiated. Okay, yeah, that's right. My idea was if they don't have any item, I was just gonna have them throw a fucking rock, because that makes sense. However, they can't find his hand. He doesn't know where his hand is. Active character instance. Extends player. Yeah. Okay. If I go to player. We have our export variable, right hand. Maybe it's got to be right hand. I bet it's all underscored. Let's try that. Where was our crash? You bastard. Let me do this. We're gonna go here. Changed to from. Yeah. Let's see if this does it. You fucker. Oh, I don't think I saved that. Alright, there we go. It should work now. I shaved my head. I hope it's not too fucking shiny. I was looking at it earlier and I was like, maybe I should dim the lights. I look like a cancer patient. I'm an Aryan god.
Let me go.
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
Alright. Let's, Oh, I didn't update that? What do you mean I didn't update that? Everyone is a cancer patient. Isn't Jim no longer has AIDS, right? He beat the AIDS, he just has the cancer now. I thought we got rid of that. What the fuck? Am I losing my mind? Oh, fire ranged attack. Actually, this is supposed to be the Battle of Jim's driveway right here. So we're supposed to... I was going to add Medicare in a wheelchair and have him be like having the mask of the Kingdom of Heaven guy, like the leper. And he was going to come out in a wheelchair. I think I announced that before. I think I said that. I even made this space for him inside the garage here. If you go inside, there's like... it's actually framed in very nicely right there. Wonderful. But, yeah, I was going to have Jim in here and then possibly like an anime dungeon underneath. So I can market this game to the 5 people who would understand, who are now in their 40s. And they'll be like, you remember the sector? Yeah, I remember.
Blood because I'm an arrogant god. Let me go.
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
Oh, right. Alright, I guess we'll click. So we just throw a cube. Fire ranged attack. Now what? Are we stuck? We can move again. Why is that staying there? Very interesting. Oh, I think that's for DSP. DSP, why have you lost your shit? Why is your shit all the way over here, DSP? You're fucking good for nothing, dude. Poor bastard. Alright, can we do it again? Let's throw a rocket. What happens if I throw a rocket DSP? Get fucked DSP right in your fucking face, dude. Fuck you, boy. Let's do it again. Hold on. Get him again, Cobra. Get him again. Bam, right in the fucking face. I guess I can just throw them as far as I want, right? Yeah, that actually works pretty well. I did not expect that to work at all. I don't remember coding that, but that's good. I guess it just throws little cubes at people. It's very funny, those little cubes. Entertain me for hours, these little cubes. I might be retarded. I haven't been to the doctor in 10 years, I wouldn't know. Oh, man. It's been a long fucking... I only have to work 2 days at a time. Right now. It's been a long fucking 2 days. I honestly think I would prefer 5 8-hour shifts instead of 4 10s. I think 4 10s are like fucking killer now. Alright, so the melee is still going to crash it, right? No, it just fires the attack, and then I think he's stuck there. Alright, so now we're stuck. Let's add that in. The bitch smack. The bitch smack. Don't leave the damn state. Alright. Yeah. Let's get it. So, fire attack. I think all we need to do is check this animation and make sure that animation has a end point down here. Because all of this is basically animation driven. So if any of my animations fuck up, I'm completely fucked. So I guess we should add this one in here. I think we should call, what was it, slap? We're gonna say match anim name Slap, and then we're gonna do what? Return to. Let me take a look at maybe like one of their scripts real quick. Come all the way down. Yeah. Alright, that's not what I want. Let's just go to, yeah, like King Cobra. So where is your thing down here? Oh man, thank you, Dan 77909. Yes, I'll definitely send you $1,000 on Discord. Yeah, that's a good idea, dude. Alright, what the fuck am I even trying to do? I forgot how to. I haven't turned on any moderation on Kick. Yeah, okay, this is what I'm looking for. So I'm right here. I think I need to go back to turn-based. Yeah. I see. Yeah. Damn, I was watching a lot of Chris Chan today. The Geno Samuel documentary. And there was like a golden era in there, like the 2000s. Like everything was just like a shiny golden Pokemon in the fucking 2000s. Everything was so fucking great. And then all the fucking Globo Homo bullshit had to come in and ruin everything. You listen to a Linkin Park song now and it's like, this sucks. This is gay. This is not cool at all. Alright, so we need to go back to the player. Yeah, I guess we're just going to say next state equals turn-based. Wonderful. Let's see how that works for me. Is that really what we're doing here? I believe so. Alright. Seems to check out. I'm gonna have to rip a bowl after this. I don't know. I'm faded.
Flamingo.
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 I don't want to be an American idiot. Yeah.
What's going on with YouTube? It's your boy King Cobra.
I remember I was turning on Y101 the other day, and there was some song on the radio when, like, well, this was probably about a year ago, not the other day, but it was like, they were like trying to force some shitty fucking indie song, and one of the lyrics was like, you want to kick out all the immigrants, but you're an immigrant too? And it's like, who the fuck is that fucking retarded in this day and age that, like, can't understand the nuances of these arguments? Yeah, and fuck Green Day. They're all gay now. Green Day used to be cool. They were goth, but now they're like, you know, I don't know what they are now. I didn't realize they were Canadian. They're Canadian, right? Gross. Disgusting. Alright, we don't play the animation. Ah, good. Wonderful. Perfect. Just what I fucking wanted. Let me take a look at that real quick, actually. Turn-based. But why? Oh. Yeah, it goes back to turn-based. Let me go check something. Why is King Cobra not going back to his turn-based fucking animation? You know what I mean? Let's do this. If anim player... Oh, hold on. Yeah, it might be down here. Swipe idle. Gang Cobra are in turn-based mode. Alright. That's probably because we don't have that animation, I'm gonna guess. Oh, jeez. What are we even trying to... What is this? Swipe idle? Can we maybe just pick an idle fight B? I think that'll be the... Let's try that. Idle fight B. That sounds like some type of shitty anime. Dude, I watched oh man, I think it was the Kiwi Casino with Josh and PPP, and I was listening to Null talk about falling asleep watching Toonami as a kid. And he was talking about Inuyasha, and he remembered his only memory was just like Magome, like way off in the distance. And I was like, damn, I think I actually have the exact same memory as him, like hearing these like stupid fucking Japanese names as I'm like drifting off to sleep as a kid. Yeah, I remember, I think anime came on the screen one time. My mom saw it and was like, thought it was like gay shit from Japan. And was like, turn the TV off. What the fuck is that? And she was right. Yeah, she was correct about anime. It was gay shit from Japan. I think it was like, oh man, it was like Dragon Ball Z or something. And she was like, why are all the men like half naked? Yeah. Yeah, she was pretty much right on that. Anime is gay. Anyway. What the fuck are we doing here? I got a Seki to the Kiwi Farms, yeah. I got a Seki to unemployment. Yeah, what is going on here? Why are you in this weird pose, Cobra? It doesn't make any fucking sense. Why are you stuck? Yet you can still throw rocks at people. Alright, can I move you now? Alright. So Cobra's a little stubborn. So I can fire the attack. And then he's stuck. I bet I'm using the wrong fucking thing. Yeah, I've never wanted to go to Japan. I've been to Aruba. I got really drunk in Aruba. You have watched one anime and bought one manga. The rest of the Oriental cartoons are too patronizing to enjoy as an adult unless you turn your brain off. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty brutal. Like, I watched, like, the first episode of Attack on Titan, like, way back in the day. I watched it, and I was kind of, like, getting into it for a minute. And then all the weird gay anime shit shows up. And you're like, can you just fucking, like, have a spooky thing about the fucking giants? And I don't, like, need, like, weird gay anime noises in between shit. No, thank you. But you know, you watch like an American thing now, and it's like all just like paused gay shit, where it's like, if it's Netflix, like every white guy is gonna be like evil, and every like black person is gonna be like an angel sent to save like the single white mother. And that's like every show, and you're just like, man, this is like a whole nother level of like just like psychic spies attacking people's brains. Man, what am I trying to do here? That's right. The animation is not named correctly. On the King Cobra. So I think we go into a different animation. I think that's the problem. Oh, for fuck's sake. Player character. So when I'm attacking, idle fight A, fire attack. So it is slap. So the throw, how does that return me though? Fire ranged attack. Shit. So it is this fucking thing. I guess, is it because it doesn't play this one at all? I'm just overwriting it. It doesn't do both. It's just going to do one or the other, right? So if I write anything here, it's going to get overwritten by the one I have written on the actual Cobra. So like if I take this and I add it in to the Cobra, I bet it will work now. I bet since I'm overwriting it, it doesn't do that function at all. I'm a genius. I figured it out. No need to, you know, tell me how smart I am. Oh, look at that. We can use my old friendly if statement. There we go. Now we're really dumbing it down. Now we got the genius squad on it. Hell yeah, dude. We rolled up in this special bus and fixed that shit up real good. Put the fucking sirens on. Watch it work too. That would mean I have to change it on every single fucking player that I make. Yeah, that would be really good. All right. It still don't fucking work. What state am I in now? Idle? Attacking. Fire attack. And then I'm just stuck in fire attack. So that's actually the real issue. Let's just do this. Here is the anim name. Anim name. All right, let's see what happens there. I'm guessing maybe I'm just fucking up the name somehow, but it seemed right to me. Come on now, you fucking piece of shit. All right, there we go.
I block because I'm an arrogant guy.
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
All right. Fire attack, and then he's stuck. And we'll exit out. What do you mean? What do you mean this didn't fucking play? Am I on the wrong Cobra? Oh man, I'm a fucking idiot. There we go. That's what you want to do, is make multiple Cobras. Wonderful. Okay. So that could be why this isn't even being used. So that could definitely be why. We're actually on this one, the best Cobra. And so we need to change it up here, and now we should be good. That's probably confusing, but I had like an early version of this game that I was working with, and I had to pull stuff from there. That's why I had that script in there. So nice, but that should do us. We can do it. If we get 50 subs, I will inhale some surf on Electric Duster, which contains a bitterant. So, you know, you get to see me choke on a bitterant. I know you guys all want to see that. Speaking of JP content, when are we getting the Gator as the Advark VTuber? I do want to add Gator, dude. Gator is like... Gator's a real homie. I was watching the roast of Gator the other day. And I remember, you know, Gator just needs to be in here. I was going to have him as like one of Ralph's summons. I wanted to have some people have summons. Like, Cobra obviously needs to be able to summon Homeboy Scotty. And, you know, like a couple of the other goons that he used to hang out with. DSP can't summon anybody because he has no friends. Boss Man should be able to summon some rats or something. But Ralph should be able to summon Gator and Pantsu. He should be able to summon, like, Pantsu as a horse to move faster. And then, like, Gator is just his basically his prison bitch or whatever. You know. That was their relationship, basically. Poor Gator. Turn base. There we go. We're back in it. Oh, shit. That's not good. We don't exit out of the... all right. I paid Gator $200 a month. Oh, man. I got to do some Ralph. I got to get some Ralph clips. I want to work on his model, too. We can do better than that. The problem is, he never takes off his glasses, and he never takes off his hat, so it's very hard to get, like, a full-on, just full, you know, gander at Ralph's face. And PPP is the same way. It's like, you try and AI his face, it's just like the felted AI PPP thing is real. And I try to get any picture of him with the glasses, it always fucks it up. I'm like, you gotta take your glasses off, look right at the camera, don't wear any stupid fucking costumes, have a 1080p camera, don't use your shitty phone in the middle of the Canadian winter. I mean, like, is it that hard? I'm just a stranger asking for a clear photo of you on the fucking internet. What's the problem, dude? Fuck, man. DSP, same thing. If you could... Well, DSP actually has pretty good... We can get a pretty good camera of him. I think iDubbbz looks pretty good. He's got the cuck stash going. Alright. What am I fucking doing? So, the problem now is that we're stuck We go back to turn-based, and I should be walking now, but instead I'm attacking again, so I need to get out of there. And I think this and that belong to fucking him over here. Let me fix that too. DSP, what are you doing over there? Yeah, DSP, what have you done? I do say Kino Casino has been really doing the Jeremy Hambley, the quartering content, and I just think it's boring as shit. I mean, some of it's good when he's like lusting after those those two women that he works with, and I don't even know what they look like because I'm always listening audio wise, so I never really watch those segments. But yeah, it's pretty brutal, and but yeah, it's like. It makes me want to grift. It makes me want to start up some stupid fucking, just like very centroid right way of thinking and be like, can you believe that Disney did this? Can you believe that Disney had two gay men fuck each other in the ass? Can you believe that? It's like, yeah, I can. It's fucking Disney. There you go. That's what I want for my entertainment.
What's going on with your YouTube? It's your boy King Cobra.
What was I checking? I was checking something. Damn, what the fuck was I even checking? Damn, dude, fuck if I know. That's right, we were gonna fix that. There was something else I was gonna fix. Oh, that's right, the DSP shit. It's fixed now. There we go. Ralph, why is your shit all fucked up too? Fucking. I must have been like taking some type of photos or something. Anybody else? Anybody else fucked up right now? We'll just go ahead and fix you up right now so I don't have to keep on jumping back. I like raising the quartering because my aunt watches him or used to, and I like to break Normie's brains without talking about the clips. Oh man, did you see that Josh did the interview with Turkey Tom's girl? I honestly, I listened to the first like 5 or 6 like not even like literally like 10 seconds of that woman talking, and I was like, no, I can't do this. I can't fucking listen to that fucking I cannot listen to this fucking wench. Whatever Turkey Tom did to her, if he threw her off a fucking skyscraper, you know, whatever. He's a man of God. He's blessed. She was just so fucking annoying right off the bat. But the way that like she described him and like her flirting was so Zoomerish. I was like, I'm too old for this. I'm like 30 years old. And he's like, we met on Insta. And I'm just like, I don't even like have an Instagram. Like that's just like not even like, it's not even an option in my brain. It's not even an app I would ever think to download. Like, oh, let me get, I feel like an old fucking man. Yeah. The idea that I would ever hit anyone up on Instagram is like insane. Like maybe for a business, if I was like selling something, I could see myself using Instagram. But like otherwise, I would have no fucking clue what the fuck I'm even looking at. Yeah. Yeah, I'm like, yo, here's my Telegram. Well, I don't really even fucking use Telegram. I had Telegram back in the day when I thought it was like, oh man, it's like super cool encrypted shit. But then it's like the only people who use it are like, I watched a bunch of those, the Predator Poachers videos. And then I'm like, damn, the only people using this are like pedos. I'm never using this weird app ever again. Because it was like that and drug dealers. So it's like if you have it on your phone, I pretty much suspect that you're doing something fucked up. At least that's my thinking. But I support the Patriot Act. George Bush was a hero. The government should be able to scan everything on your phone because you're doing illegal shit, and I know it. No, I don't fucking know. All right. What am I gonna do here? The bitch smack don't leave the damn state. So let's go to when I throw it, it works. So why does that fire range projectile? Is this the... we instantiate the rock. We got the midpoint. Awesome. So is there like where's like my just regular fucking attack? Oh, it must be in my click again, right? So how it should work is I give my attack, I then go into, where's my state here? Ranged action, right? I don't think I have one. Allow player turn-based clicks. I think that's it. Allow attack clicking. Here we go, because we're going to the action. So it should be here. Allow attack clicking. Allow attack clicking. There we go. So, yeah, we need more shit here. We need more shit here. Can you guys hear the train? Hold on. You know, it sounds like Silent Hill going past my house. It's good shit, dude. All right. I just let in all the cold air. What the fuck? Good God. I have no idea what that means. This was definitely done by AI. Huh. All right. Okay. What are we trying to do? Fire range projectile. Awesome. So I think we need to return this back to neutral. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Because we're returning ourself back to neutral here. Pretty sure. Maybe we need to go back to turn-based player turn. We might need logic there. We may need logic to go back to either normal shit or turn-based combat. Because, you know, you could use your attacks outside of combat. You could just attack something very quickly, like in the game world, and then go back to it, like in Baldur's Gate. So eventually we'll decide whether we're in the combat or not and switch based on that. But for right now, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to take this and we're going to do it down here as well. And that should fix it. Oh, man. Yeah, I actually, talking about, like, Instagram and all that shit, I'm thinking about, like, I want to, like, completely unplug. I just want to, like, go into, like, cabins in the wilderness, and then I want, like, in the fucking summer just to harvest all my fucking crops and sit inside and code my gay little video games. And then, like, just have, like, some simple town that I can go to. That seems very nostalgic. Ted Kaczynski maxing. Except not blowing anything up. Maybe making some homemade guns. That would be pretty badass. Maybe a potato launcher. I actually made a potato launcher for a science fair project as a kid. I gotta find that picture of me with long hair and the potato launcher. Dude, if I can find that, I think people would realize how cool I was. Yeah, monk mode. I don't know. I'm calling it, fucking homestead maxing or whatever.
What's going on with YouTube? It's your boy.
The problem is I live in an urban environment. Suburban environment. Nice suburban environment, so. The deer are going to fucking destroy any crops I have outside. I got to put some in the front yard. I'm trying to grow tomatoes and potatoes. Potatoes give you plenty of calories. You can live off those. As I make my games inside. Alright, we got to... Bam. Turn-based. And we can walk again. We fixed it, dude. I'm a fucking genius. One of the best. I can piss out cubes. There we go. Oh no. Are we actually stuck in that? If I fire range attack, I think we are actually stuck. We don't return to turn based. Let's fix that as well. Yeah, I'm definitely going to do a live stream, I think probably this Saturday, of me doing something outside, probably making more concrete weights. My concrete weights pretty much kind of worked. I just need to make some more, and then I need to get stuff to clamp the weights on the side. Oh man, you had to make antibiotic-resistant strain of bacteria. You know what you should have done? Look the teacher dead in the eye and just eaten the petri dish, and been like, "No, I'll never give up my work." That would have been so based. They would have just been like, "And we're recommending him for psychic evaluation." Not psychic evaluation. What's the other one where they check where you're not crazy? Not that you don't. Yeah, we're checking him for magic powers. He might be so fucking stupid. He's gotta be magic. He's so retarded. He's gotta have some type of special ability, like Eminem. Maybe he can rap good. Like black people. All right. What was I trying to do? So I don't think we do it here. I might have to make some stuff here, actually. Let's go to the best Cobra. Throw it in his face. Yeah, throw it right in his face. I remember there was one time we had a substitute teacher, and they told us not to play with these matches, and I immediately started playing with the matches. It was like high school, and they got super mad at me because they could like smell the smoke, and I was like taking them and blowing them out and like just waving off all the smoke. I was trying to be cool in front of everyone, and she came back in the room and was like, "John, like you could like completely fuck over my job and make me lose my job for that shit." And I was like, I don't give a fuck. Just not caring at all. Just a heartless bastard teenager. I was so cool back then, dude. I had long hair. I had a leather jacket. I had a drug addiction. Okay? Now I'm boring. Now my mom probably wouldn't even pick me up from jail. No, I've never been to jail. I almost got arrested, but I don't know why they didn't arrest me. It was just for like, it was for underage possession of tobacco. I had cigarettes, but it like wasn't enough for them to like put any handcuffs on me or anything. They just like gave me a citation for it, and I had to show up in court. What am I trying to do? Oh, that's right, the animation. I had to check if animation's there. Fucking stupid bullshit. So there's like a throw. Yeah, we got throw here. And if I go to 3D, it just does that. So what I need to do is have one where he's like cocking it back, and then one where he actually throws it. So I'm going to have to divide this in two. We'll go, I'm going to go throw wind, and I'm just going to go duplicate throw. I'm going to call it throw snap. Throw launch. Yeah, the fucked up thing is that substitute teacher was actually really nice to people, and I was just being a complete fucking dick. But so be it. Yeah, fuck public education. I fucking hate teachers. I forgot about that. I don't know. Basically, we're just going to wind up and go like that. Actually, we're going to need... I guess we'll just get like from this frame... Yeah, we'll get from that frame onward. We got to get rid of all these. Yeah, I'm going to try and get rid of a lot of these. I think that's going to be the plan. And then we'll just have him hovering between those two states. I just remembered that I don't have to go to work tomorrow. And I was like, oh shit, man, I got to work tomorrow. But now I don't have to. I forgot that it's fucking Tuesday. It's going to be weird not going to work at all. I'm probably going to like find stuff to do that's Godot related on Upwork probably. That's kind of my plan, to make a little bit of money on the side, but I have like shit saved up until I get those fucking certs. Bam. Alright, so... man, I probably shouldn't have cut that many. Fuck. That'll be fine from like right here, right there. I think I'm just gonna like save those 4 fucking frames. Shit, I've got to undo that. We need more. We need more. So we need from like here to there. Basically like him like readying his arm to throw. There we go. So let's not cut out quite so many this time. Yeah, that looks good. And then like there. And that looks pretty fucking good. right. I'm ready for fucking winter to be over though. The fucking cold sucks. I hate the cold. I went to New York one time and I got out of the car and I was like, man, fuck this. It's fucking freezing. I went snowboarding one time and I got out of the car and then I was like, nah, dude, I'm not like going outside in this shit. You fucking serious? I need it to be like, you know, at least like 60 degrees. Why do you fucking just those? All right, there we go. Perfect. Wonderful. I'm doing so good, man. I'm sure this is very entertaining to watch. All right, let's get rid of all these. All right, so I just want like from right here. Can I bring this forward? Is that possible? Or do I have to bring all those back? Oh man, I really love the Godot animation system. Been hitting the bag. Oh, I realized what you meant, like hitting a punching bag. I thought you meant hitting like some type of drug. I was like, damn, what type of bag are we hitting? I've been hitting the crackarooski while watching for motivation, guys. That's my favorite term for crack, now that I heard Josh say that, the crackarooski. I know this guy who's going to become a cop shortly, and I'm going to tell him that, like, if you ever, from now on, if you encounter someone who's on crack, call it crackarooski. And see if the term catches on. I'm sure it will. Oh man, that's not going to do shit. Dude, what in the absolute fuck? Cobra. I honestly just want his arms. Maybe we should do that. What if I delete all those? What does that do? You fucking piece of shit. Of course, I had to use my fucking stupid Mixamo animations, didn't I? Had to use my big brain. All I want is this little section right here. So I can't, like, move all that back to right here. It did work. And then I want to maybe move it back maybe just a little more. Right there. Okay, that seems to be working too. Awesome. Alright, so I'm not a fucking idiot. I was actually in gifted programs. That's kind of more what I'm going for. I think what I'm going to do is actually spread this out. Oh my god, my cat's annoying me. Get off me, kitty cat. I don't have time for companionship or love or friendship. I'm too busy coding this game that's going to get me out of poverty. It's going to get me out of the trap. I sent my mixtape off to various artists, but none of them have replied, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be what, does it. I'm going to send this into Kino Casino, and they're going to be like, wow, this guy's so cool. We want to be friends with him. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to send it to Asmondo Gold. Oh, man, dude. Some guy commented on my Purdue University Global video. I made this video saying how shitty that Purdue University Global is, and some guy commented, like, you need to be a better student, and I commented underneath. He had a really badly shaped head, and I commented, like, you have the skull of a fucking mongoloid. And he deleted his comment. So I'm taking that as a victory. Yeah, I'm pretty sure Type Break Protocol is going to sell millions. This will sell trillions probably. I'm pretty sure Elon Musk will play this. You know what I should do? I should probably get some crack rock. If I start smoking crack, I just don't see how this game could be the best it could ever possibly be. I think we should both get some type of script for not Xanax. What's the other one? Adderall. If we're both speeding out of our minds while writing code, I think it'll be really good. I really want psychosis. Going in for my next job interview with absolute fucking psychosis from taking amphetamines all day for like 4 months. That's the funniest fucking thing in the world. Modern problems require modern solutions. That's like, isn't that the actual scene from Train Spotting where the guy's like, damn, you gotta fuck up your job interview, but you gotta fuck it up proper. So he gives him like all the meth and he's just all fucked up during the interview. I think that is a scene. I saw that, who was it? Fucking Lemmy, the guy who sung for Motorhead. He gave some advice to his son about drugs. He was like, just get a big bowl of speed and you just put that like in your living room or whatever, and just every now and again you just grab a little bit and put it on the blade of a knife and lick it. It's like, dude, that's like, so just get the most addictive drug you can and then put a big old bowl of it in your living room. Yeah, good fucking idea. Interesting way to live. I think he made it to like 80s though. Whatever. Probably a fucking loser. Alright, let's see how that looks. There we go. That's what I wanted. I'm possibly I'm God's chosen Godot artist. Animator. All right. Okay, so we got the throw wind up. Hold on, I'm gonna have to rip a bowl real quick. What do I? Give me 1 second. I'm just going to play the game. It's time to play the game.
Yo, shut up, man.
All right, I will be right back. I just have to use the bathroom. All right. I can't stay, but please know that you are still as gay as you are bald. Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you, Sleazy. I was actually thinking about I can't even say it. It's good to see you too, buddy.
Because I'm an arrogant god. Let me go.
Doggot,
What's
yeah.
going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
Alright, what am I even fucking checking? Alright. That's right, we need to make the fucking animation. We need to make the motherfucker work. So, what we're going to do is basically, when we start the animation, we're going to be playing this, so he goes into that throwing mode. And then once he's actually ready to throw, we'll do that. You see how his arm is bent like that in that weird S shape? That actually happened to me in real life. I don't know, can you see the scar? Hold on. I don't know. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, that scar right there, that big long one on my arm. And then I have another one. Oh, shit. Oh, it's that. That's why it's the wrong fucking camera. Hang on. It looks like I sliced my arm open with a knife or something, but that's actually a surgery scar. It's pretty it's pretty fucked up. But yeah, I had like 1 and 2. They had to wrap my entire arm. My arm bent up in an S shape because I was jumping over stuff. I was jumping over stuff and I fell and my arm snapped in half and it bent up like an S shape. And they had to put a bunch of fucking metal spikes in there that are still there. So I'm ineligible for military service. I can't be drafted. I'm too precious for military service, they said. They said we can't risk him. We can't risk him, he's too beautiful. Alright. What the fuck am I doing? I fucking I lost my fucking mind. Okay. That's right. That's right. Cobra. Throwing. Alright, we get rid of this. So, we will go from the start throw to the what do we call it? To the throw wind, and when we actually click, we will press the... Damn, what the fuck are we gonna press? We're gonna press one of them damn buttons up on the motherfucker. Damn. We will press... What are we fucking... Which one are we gonna play? Oh, that's right. We haven't made it yet. We'll call it throw finish. The throw finish. Okay. Alright. Let's make those other two animations, for fuck's sake. So, throw... didn't we make another one? Holy shit. So we have throw wind. Alright. Okay. Just go to throw. We're going to go animation, duplicate, and we'll say throw. Throw start. Holy shit. And all we have to do is just delete, like, until like up to here. Oh man. What a day, dude. I might stream some drafting practice. I might do some like drafting of CNC stuff, and I'll stream it. That'll be really fun. I might make a CNC project live. That'll actually be pretty cool. You have to suggest a picture, and we'll make it with a CNC. How does that sound? Sleazy can suggest the picture. I'm sure he's not watching anymore. He only comes in to make fun of me. He's far too busy. I'm sure he's got some job doing something gay. All right. So now we need to shrink this down. So we'll basically just make it so that when this one finishes, it'll go to the next one. It'll go to throw. Throw wind. And then finally we're going to go animation, duplicate the son of a bitch. Throw, final, finale. And we'll get like, from like, you know, there to the end. And then we'll just slide it on back. Yeah, I need some music or something. I'm falling asleep. Let me do this. YouTube, free music, audio library. That looks like it's gonna suck. Whatever. Chill lo-fi beats. How's that? Hopefully it's not super fucking annoying. Alright, whatever. What else do we have? Alright, this is probably copyrighted, but fuck it. Jesus. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna have to open up Artlist and just put the fucking shit on. There we go. Where's the fucking techno? There we go. This one, this is the one I like. Probably loud as shit. All right. Now we got something. Okay, so we have all three of them now. We just need to hook it up. So throw finale. Where are the other ones? It was throw start and throw wind. Awesome. Okay. Let's jumpstart my brain. Throw start and throw throw, wind. So we actually don't want it on the wind. We only want it on the start. So after throw start, we're gonna say go to the throw wind, right? All we need to do is go animation player. Oh, I can't. I think we gotta say anim player. Anim player dot play, and we'll say throw wind. Throw finale, we're going to go back to turn-based. Yeah. So, cool. And now we need to, instead of saying... we gotta change this to throw start. Let's go to the player class. What am I doing here? Throw start. That's right, we gotta change the animation that's starting. Wasn't it, and maybe it was on the, I can't remember if it was on the player. I don't think it was. I think it's actually on the camera. Camera holder. Fuck. Ah, jeez. Where is it? Somewhere in here, right? Allow attack clicking. It's right up here. I think it was fire range projectile. Next state. Where are we doing this? Hold on. Control F. Okay, so allow range attack clicking. Awesome. Active character instance, fire ranged attack. Cool. Awesome. I was like, how does that fucking work again? Alright, so Control C. Let me go back to... I think that should be on the player script. So, fire range attack, and we need to turn this into what was that animation? It was throw start. I thought it was a screw. Sorry, I thought it was a piece of glass. I was like, thanks, kitty cat, knocking over glass, but no, it's just a screw. Okay. Throw start. Let's see, that should work. Because I'm one of the best coders there ever was. I turned down Microsoft. No, I'm just kidding. Dude, I would never be able to get hired anywhere in a corporate setting. I mean, no, I'm totally hireable. I'm like one of the most hireable people you've ever met. Mr. What? Oh. I had some of it right, but some of it wrong. Where was the thing I just changed? Where was that? Oh, it's in the player class. Let's go back. Let's go That should be throw finale. And the other one should be throw start, so... There we go. Oh, jeez. I need some coffee. I fudged my phone trying to type a joke and now the timing is ruined. Oh, wow. Well, thanks for letting me know. Thanks for trying. Felt it.
Let me go.
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
All right. Oh, it's working. I need to change it so he doesn't rotate on all the axes, just the two. But yeah, we throw it. It's a little delayed in how it fucking throws, but don't worry about it. It's fine. We can walk again. All right. Can we use the smack? The smackarooski. Bam. Turn based. So if I end my turn, we're probably going to crash here. Because he doesn't have those animations. What do you mean invalid access to property? Maybe I didn't set it. I did set it. Oh, maybe I didn't. Ralph, did I set it on you? Nope, I didn't set it on Ralph. Whoa, what the fuck? Kick just sent out a global announcement message to everyone for a streamer that doesn't exist? What? I don't see anything on Kick. There's a chick on the front page. Hold on, let me go to... Or are you making a joke? I don't understand. Hold on. I clicked it and the streamer name was undefined and the comments were in completely different messages. Oh, like on your phone, like a notification. Hold on, let me check. Huh. I have had it say undefined before, but like when I click on it, it's normally like Kino Casino or DSP. If it just happened now, it might be DSP. Oh, damn. It was blank, went live, and I clicked it. You're probably hacked. You probably got hacked by India. It's probably India and the Jews working together to hack your phone. That's what happened to Charlie Kirk, probably. He was trying to watch his favorite Kick live streamer, and then they were able to compromise his security. Through a Pegasus Trojan. They took down his drone surveillance. Alright. Not that that's funny. That's like horrible what happened to him. I don't know. I was very, his wife walking up on stage and like, how about a little mourning, lady? Maybe we wear like a black dress with like a veil over our face or something. I just saw all those memes of like, My wife 5 seconds after I'm assassinated, and it's just like her like dancing up on the stage, and it's like maybe give it a little time before you're dancing. I don't know. Do they have any children together? I don't even know. Yeah. Oh no, 2 girls. Brutal. Yeah, like Tucker Carlson. I have like 8 I have 8 girls. I think I would adopt like a male child at that point and just be like, this is my new heir. Like, we're just gonna raise him. I mean, we're obviously gonna raise the girls too, but like I need at least one male heir. Yeah, like Ralph needed Xanda. Yeah. Well, I mean, like, you know, fucking Charlie getting shot and all that shit was like, yeah, his death was a joke immediately after it happened. People don't care anymore. Like, yeah, I don't know. There were like so many people who were like happy that he was shot, and I was like, man, what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, I wouldn't even like, you know, it's just like that's really bad for political discourse. Whatever you're like, you know, it's just really not good. It's like, I just want to work a job and farm. It's like, you know, that's all I really fucking care to do, and make my gay little video games, and then now I gotta worry about like all this shit. And the riots in Minnesota. Xanda. Didn't May name him after his biggest A-log? That was the thing. Welcome back to the Godot podcast, where we talk about the kill stream. We talk about politics. We talk about Godot. All the failed games that are never going anywhere. All right. So I have to make those animations for everyone now if I have them do that. Maybe I can copy them over. I got to figure out how to use the skeleton 3D. That's the main thing. I know there's a way to like have them all sync up with one big like motion skeleton, whatever, but I don't have the technical know how to do that. I was trying to do it in 4.3, so it might be better in 4.5 now. What else am I going to do here? Let's just keep going. Man, it's cold. I might put on this face mask, but I don't want to look like a fucking idiot. Is there any water left? Oh my god. Alright.
I block because I'm an arrogant god.
We know, Ralph.
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
So I'm not going to worry about those right now because I kind of know what I have to do to fix them. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm going to worry about the green smoke.
Uses green smoke.
Okay, and then if I use...
Cobra uses black flame.
I can light Ian on fire. Dubs over there. So we'll end our turn.
Block because I'm an arrogant god.
The current meta is to be as appealable with your political opinions until someone tries to impose their own will on you, and then you just have to let them have it. Yeah. Does that actually do damage if I move? It does, okay. So, apparently my battle points are not decreasing. Or are they? I guess they are. Sorry, that was probably a catastrophe.
Yo, shut up, man.
Gamble.
Bossman Jack uses taunt. Bossman Jack uses taunt.
Oh, I gotta get one of those boss man clips in there. Hold on, let's go clip some boss man. Audacity. 1 second. Oh my gosh. Oh, is Boss Man out of jail, by the way? Let's go check. I haven't saved him like a fucking... Copyrighted music. Awesome. Alright. Boss Man. Jack yelling. Perfect. Alright. Oh yeah, let me show the screen again. Fucking shut up, Audacity. Get the fuck out of here. What are you talking about? Alright. Fucking, what is this? Get out of here. We have to clip the boss man. Playback, recording device, speakers, awesome. Yeah, it should be fine. We might have to turn this up. Let's see. This is the problem. He listens to this shitty fucking rap. It's very hard to get anything. Damn it. I just need like 1 or 2 clips of him saying like something taunting where he's like, oh, Mrs. Whatever, or he's like taunting the camera. He always says like, oh, damn, that pussy's nice. We need to get him saying that. That would be perfect. But it's all going to be... Dude, I can watch this all day. But yeah, we can't have that shitty rap music in the fucking background, so maybe we'll try no music. Is that actually going to work at all? Oh. No, it's not going to work. I don't want fucking shorts. Fuck you and your fucking shorts. Of course. Yeah, great. Thank you. Oh, man. Alright, this might prove fruitful. Do the AI music removers on YouTube work? Miss Yasuo. Oh yeah, Miss Yasuo. Oh. Damn, dude, $20. I make $26 an hour right now. Damn, dude, what a fucking crackhead. There is.
Could have done a lot with that money, dude.
All right.
Oh my god! No way! Oh my god.
Please.
I just need him like.
No!
Yeah, it's not bad, but for like CNC operators, if you can like program parts, you can make like 30 to like 36 an hour. So that's what I'm gonna try and go for, basically. It's just a schedule they want you on all the time, but it's a lot of like, you know, it's not fun work, but it pays the bills really well.
I literally want to cry right now, dude.
It's better than programming. Like programming, every fucking job would be like 16 an hour. And they would treat you like shit, so.
I'm not kidding, bro. I want to fucking cry. I just got $300 given to me, and I lost it all. I am such a fucking idiot, dude. I am such a fucking idiot, bro. I broke my headphones already tonight. It has been the worst night of my...
Yeah, and like you can learn CNC shit really easy. I'm just gonna, like, my brother has a CNC machine, and I used to like work on it, but what, I just need some good clips of Boss Man like screaming at a fan.
Damn, dog. We're still up, technically.
We're not gonna get it. It's not gonna be worth it for right now. If I come across it, I'm sure I'll come across it after the stream, and I'll just have it. But yeah, that would be great because I need something for him taunting. Yeah. If you're getting paid 16 an hour to program, I'd rather work in a kitchen. Yeah, when I was making 16 an hour to program as an intern, and I got treated like shit, and I like had, they basically gave me nothing to do, so I was just sitting around all day at the fucking desk like a fucking retard. And every time I'd ask them for something to do, they would be like, you know, oh, I thought I gave you something, like so and so was supposed to come by and talk to you. And then I'd be like, well, dude, I've been sitting at my desk all day and nobody's come by and talked to me. Okay? And then I would like look through my email stack and there would be like some guy who's like, oh, I'm gonna come in tomorrow and like show you what you're supposed to do. But it's like, it's my first day today. Anyway. Yeah, machine operator, that's probably one of the scariest jobs you can get. I would definitely try and go for that. It's way better than like any other warehouse job. You normally just sit in front of a machine. You normally get your own heater, and then you get to sit there and like run parts on the machine, and you don't have to do much else. It's pretty awesome. And you can normally make like 24 an hour, you know, and if you can scales with that. Like if you're really good at operating machinery, they'll probably pay you like up to 30, or like, you know, if you're like if you're like super good, you know, you can get like, you know, 45 an hour, like, you know, if you can like program everything and you know, actually do like parts and shit, like 3D. I don't know, I like manufacturing, so I need some fucking water. Hold on. All right, well, well, it's either this or no water at all, because the tap, I'm gonna drink tap water, but If somebody wanted to do CNC for no particular reason, how long would it take? I mean, you don't need like any degree or anything. I don't know. You could look at like stuff like this, like beginning CNC. You could get like a mini mill like this. You can get like a $200 mill and like learn how to use that. Or there's like certifications. I think you could go to like community college and they would have like a course on it. Basically, the way I got started is I worked at like a machine shop. So you basically have to work at some type of like machine shop or something like that where you're around machines. Like metal fabrication or whatever, or manufacturing. Pretty much any manufacturing place you go to now at some point is going to have some type of like advanced machinery. And if you can like prove yourself reliable to the company by working in like a shitty area for like probably about like 6 months, then they might trust you to run the machines. That's basically what I did. So, like, but honestly, if you were like, if you were sat down in front of a CNC machine for like 2 or 3 days, you could pick up how to use it. Like, it's not like a super complex task. It's just that like, it's like proving to a company that they can trust you to run like $1 million machine. You know, I don't know. And then sometimes you'll go there and the people who are like you're working with are like fucking crackheads. And you're like, how the fuck are any of these people working here? I don't know. What are we even doing here in this fucking... But yeah, honestly, like ChatGPT could probably give you better answers, but I'm sure there's like a lot of listings in like I think you said you were in Texas. I think that like probably is like a big industry pretty much everywhere for CNC work. And I'm pretty sure it's like not going to go down anytime soon.
Let me go.
It's very hard to automate that with AI just because like you have to offload and onload all the material and shit.
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
Alright, so his attacks work. We end the turn.
Because I'm an arrogant god.
Alright, so our battle points don't update, I don't think.
Ethan Ralph uses hardened guns.
This is our health update.
Ethan Ralph uses
It does over
hardened
here.
guns. Ethan Ralph uses hardened guns.
Alright. Cool. So we have to update the battle points. Let me go here. We need additional UI to display the amount of battle points. For the current player. So yeah, I guess we gotta update it in a few places. Alright, so oh yeah, this is the thumbnail I made, but I never put it on the thing. It's a bobbit worm. It's pretty fucking creepy. Damn. Okay. I'm just thinking about how all this shit's gonna work. What the fuck are we doing again? That's right, we need additional UI. So if I go back to my... Let me get my fucking artlist music going. Damn, dude, I've been up for a very long time now. This song sucks. We're gonna skip that one. Okay. So if I go to my camera holder, where's my actual camera? Camera holder, there we go. 2D. So we have this, our character here. We should have probably like our battle points down here or something. Because it basically runs our whole thing, our whole system. And then we have... Where is our... we have a battle manager, right? Yeah. The battle arranger. Nice. Do we have an update function? Update battle arranger. Awesome. Players. Update player. Update image. Do we have restore dead player? Update health. Do we have an update battle points? I don't think so. Okay. So the battle points label. I guess we can refer to that. So, awesome. So we have the start of that. We're basically going to build another one right here, just like that. Update update battle points, and we're gonna pass in the combatant. So awesome. All we need to do is basically match we just need to go through what we have, right? We're going to, like, let's say we'll get the children, and then we'll check the name. I'm going to say match the name. Match the name if match, and then update the shit accordingly. I mean, that makes sense to me. So let me say for children in get children, print children, and we'll print that. Okay. Update battle points. Awesome. So when we, I guess, let's go to our player class. When we initiate the attack, we have to update our battle points. So I think I'm actually doing that in I think this is the old one. No, this is the new one. So where am I taking away? Battle points. Awesome. So I'm subtracting battle points here. Cool. So I would need to take battle points. Yeah, I gotta take battle points, basically. Yeah, alright, so let's start by updating it here. I guess it would be right here. If we have the cost, update battle log, why not? What is it? Camera holder. We have access to it, right? Somewhere. Control F. I know we have camera. Okay. Whatever. So what are we gonna say? It was cam dot sorry, I've like reached my fucking limit. I'm probably crashing out pretty soon. That's right, we're on the fucking oh, that's right. It's the battle arranger. Oh, how do I get access? So we'll get the battle arranger instead. I'm an idiot. All right. Let's go back to this. We're gonna say BA equals this, and we'll say get tree dot get first node and group battle arranger, and then BA dot what is the function we want? Update battle points. And yeah, we got to pass in the combatant, and might as well do the points. All right. What are we doing this shit for? Right, okay. So we'll get the children, the combatant, the points, and cool. So yeah, I guess we'll just pass in self, right? It was Ralph. Update battle points, and we'll pass in self and battle points. Cool. That should work. Okay. Alright, yeah, let's try it. I'm just thinking in my head what it's gonna work, and it's like I should just fucking...
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
It's only gonna work for Ralph anyway, so let's go ahead and...
Ethan Ralph uses hardened guns.
Oh, it might only work for Killstream Kick, too.
Ethan Ralph uses Killstream Kick.
Alright, let's see. Battle Arranger, BA, update battle points. We go to our Battle Arranger. It's the right thing. Update battle points. We are updating health on. Alright, do we have that? Oh, we are updating health on Ethan Ralph 4.0. We are resetting kick. Okay, so yeah, we are getting it. We just need to update that. Awesome. So yeah. Oh, let's look at the children. Oh. Maybe we need to... Where are we instantiating all these fucking labels at then? Oh, panel HBox container, awesome. I is a texture rect. Cool. Let's get I. Oh, that's created too. So what are we putting all this stuff on? So I guess it would be the panel box. Nice. So we'll get this. Panel box container, get children. We'll just get the first one. It should only have one child on it. No, it shouldn't. We'll get all the children. That's what we want. Yeah, we want that. Let's try that again. Let's load the game. All right, hopefully we can...
What's going on with you two? It's your boy King Cobra.
We'll end the turn, and we'll use...
Ethan Ralph uses hardened guns. Ethan Ralph uses Killstream Kick.
Okay. I couldn't remember which one it was. So it looks like we don't have any children. 4 children in panel box container. I get children. Alright, so... it would help if I looked at the actual scene. So, looks like... I guess they're all being spawned in this H box. Yeah, I texture rect. HBox container, add child I. Oh, I already wrote this. Oh, whatever. Whatever. I'm good for tonight. I gotta get out of here for now. I'm just, I'll come back on tomorrow and finish more shit. I feel pretty enthused to finish stuff now. But, yeah, peace out, everyone. I gotta go get some sleep.